brothers promise to protect their sisters and give them as a sign of love. This festival is celebrated all over India with love and joy. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. My name is Sanjika Arya. I live in class 1. Families come together to celebrate with me the present lesson. This festival teaches us the importance of love, care, and special bond we share with our siblings. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Sanjika. Happy Raksha Bandhan. History has several stories regarding the origin of life. As per one narrative, we journal sent the letter with a lot asking for us from Emperor Humayun. When her region Mewar came under the head by Bahadur Shah. According to another story, Yamuna the auspicious river tied Rakhi Sinama, the lord of death, and he granted her immortality.
Start.
আজ রাখি বন্ধন উৎসবের দিনে সকলকে শুভেচ্ছা ও অভিনন্দন জানিয়ে আমার কিছু কথা এখন বলছি। আজ রাখি বন্ধন উৎসব সারা ভারতবর্ষ জুড়ে এই উৎসব পালন করা হয় বোনদের দ্বারা ভাইয়ের মঙ্গল কামনায়। এই বিষয়ে আমাদের বাংলার ইতিহাস অনেকটাই আলাদা। আমরা রাখি বন্ধন পালন করি সৌভাতৃত্ব পালনের ঐতিহ্যে। পরাধীন ভারতে ব্রিটিশ বিরোধী আন্দোলনকে দুর্বল করতে ব্রিটিশরা ভারতকে দুই ভাগে ভাঙতে চেয়েছিল, যা বঙ্গভঙ্গ নামে পরিচিত, এবং এই ঘটনার প্রতিবাদে তখনকার সমাজের সাধারণ ও গুণী মানুষরা একযোগে প্রতিবাদ করেছিলেন। তারই সূত্র ধরে কবিগুরু রবীন্দ্রনাথ ঠাকুর 1905 সালে হিন্দু ও মুসলিম দুই সম্প্রদায়ের নারী পুরুষ উভয়ের মধ্যেই মৈত্রীর বন্ধন রূপে রাখি বন্ধন উৎসব এর প্রচলন করেন। তাই আজকের দিনে আমাদের কাছে রাখি বন্ধন উৎসব হল সমস্ত বিভেদের বদলে সমস্ত ক্ষেত্রেই মিলনের উৎসব। তাই একে অপরকে রাখি পরাবার মধ্য দিয়ে আমরা গোটা সমাজে সৌভাতৃত্বের পরিবেশ আরো দৃঢ় করতে পারি। নমস্কার।
Everyone, my name is Shayan Mondal. I am from class 8A. Today I will be going to say some words about Raksha Bandhan. Today we are celebrating Raksha Bandhan to mark the auspicious day when to celebrate the unconditional love between brothers and their sisters. This is the day to cherish the promise of protection that the brothers promise to their sisters, and their sisters always promise to stay by their side in all highs and lows.
Good morning, I am Rifa Molla. I am saying a poem for Raksha Bandhan. Oh my dear brother, please come to me. I will tie your Rakhi and never leave you. Please protect me from everything because you are my savior. Oh my dear brother, I love you so much. Thank you.
Good morning. My name is Rima Haldan from class 6B.
And my name is Archana from class 6B.
Today we are going to say about Raksha Bandhan.
Raksha Bandhan. Raksha Bandhan was introduced by Rabindranath Tagore in the year of 1905. Raksha Bandhan is celebrated in every year in the month of August. It is celebrated in India by everyone.
In this festival, many sisters buy Rakhi for their brothers, or many make Rakhi for their brothers and tie to their hands. Many sisters they celebrate this festival by eating mithai and giving gifts to each other. This is the beautiful celebration celebrated by sisters and brothers. Thank you.
Good morning to all of my respected teachers and dear friends. I am Shashwati Ghosh from class 6A, going to present the speech
and Bandhan means bond. On this very special and auspicious day, sisters tie a thread or rakhi on their brothers' wrist, praying for their well-being and safety. In return, brothers promise to protect and care for their sisters. Rakhi, in Raksha Bandhan, we tie rakhi on our brother's hand for their protection. Let's cherish in all our relationships and strengthen this bond not just between siblings but in all our relationships. It reminds us that we are all connected and responsible for each other's health, happiness and well-being. Let's celebrate this festival with love, kindness and a deep appreciation for the bonds that tie us together. Happy Raksha Bandhan. Thank you.
Good morning everyone. Today we are going to deliver a speech on Raksha Bandhan. So Raksha Bandhan dates back to our history where we can see Lord Krishna once accidentally cut his finger through the Sudarshan Chakra. So his sister Draupadi tied a piece of cloth from her sari to stop the bleeding, and later that cloth turned to be a bond of protection between them. It also can be seen in our great poet Rabindranath Tagore, who suggested us to tie rakhi between different people of different caste, religion and between Hindu and Muslim to prevent the partition of Bengal.
Raksha Bandhan or Rakhi is one of the most celebrated days in India. All over the country, people, irrespective of their caste and religion, celebrate this auspicious day. The celebration of Rakhi or Raksha Bandhan signifies protection, love and unity. One misconception of Raksha Bandhan in India is that it can only be performed between brothers and sisters. However, this concept is not true. Even a husband and wife can tie rakhi in each other's hand, and also a disciple can tie rakhi to his guru. So tying rakhi on someone's hand is said to increase the bond of protection, respect and love between the individuals, irrespective of any blood relations they have with each other.
We have already seen that rakhi doesn't need to be tied by a sister to their brother. On the day of Raksha Bandhan, we were giving the rakhi to the person to whom we wishes good health and a happy life. And in return, someone give the gift and have the give the promise to protect them throughout their life. Thank you.
Thank you. Let us celebrate Raksha Bandhan together.
On this Raksha Bandhan,